you stop looking. I told myself I'd never fall this deep. After all the promises I couldn't keep. But then you walked into my restless heart and somehow turned the darkness into sparks. I gave you the keys to every hidden room, every fear I'd carried through the gloom. And instead of running, you stayed by my side, showing me a love I couldn't hide. You saw the scars beneath my skin, the battles that I'd never let anyone in. And every wall I built so high started falling when you looked into my eyes. Now my heart is turning like the stars above, spinning in the gravity of your love. You're the light inside my lonely road, the only place that ever felt like home. I'm falling all into you, all into you. Every dream, every breath, every truth. I'm rolling all into you. Look at us now, standing in the rain, turning every hurt into something beautiful again. You never asked me to be someone new, you just loved me for being me. And you thought I was strong, but you made me stronger. Turned every goodbye into forever longer. And every piece of my heart you've touched reminds me why real love matters so much. Now my heart is turning like the stars above, spinning in the gravity of your love. You're the light inside my lonely road, the only place that ever felt like home. I'm falling all into you, all into you. Every dream, every breath, every truth. I'm rolling all into you. When the world gets heavy, I'll carry you. When the night gets darker, I'll be your moon. And if the sky comes crashing down, I'll still be standing here with you. Now hearts are turning like the stars above, forever in the gravity of love. Through every storm and every changing tide, you'll always have a place by my side. We're falling all into us, all into us. Every dream, every breath, every truth. We're rolling into something beautiful. And if tomorrow never comes, I'll still be grateful that I found your love. You're my home, you're my fire, and I'll keep rolling.